Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. There's a prayer you used to say. You know the one. Maybe not the exact words anymore, but the feeling of it? You know exactly what I mean. And somewhere along the way, you stopped saying it out loud. Not because you stopped believing. Because it got heavy to keep asking for the same thing over and over with nothing changing. So you tucked it away. You still think it. You still feel it late at night, or in the car, or in that quiet second before you fall asleep. But you stopped saying it. Out loud. Like saying it might jinx it. Like maybe if you stop asking, it'll hurt less if it never comes. I need you to hear this. That prayer never left. It didn't get lost. It didn't go unheard just because you went quiet. Something has been working on it this whole time, even in your silence, especially in your silence. You've been so strong for so long, handling everything, holding the version of yourself that everyone else needs you to be. And somewhere in all that holding, you decided it was safer to stop hoping out loud than to keep hoping and be disappointed again. But listen to me. You are not being punished for going quiet. You were never being tested by silence. You were being carried through it. And here's what's about to happen. You are about to feel that prayer stir again. Not as a wish this time, as a knowing. You're going to catch yourself midday, out of nowhere, feeling lighter than you have in months, and you won't even know why yet. That's not random. That's the answer arriving before the evidence does. Say it again, out loud if you can, even quietly, even just once. Say the thing you stopped saying, because it never stopped being heard, and it is closer than it has ever been. You didn't lose your faith. You just got tired of carrying it alone. You're not alone in it anymore. Whatever it is you've been afraid to ask for again, ask for it one more time, out loud, because this is the moment it starts moving. If this found you tonight, if some part of you just sat up a little straighter, type "I'm asking again" and mean it.